Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a song for free in minutes with Gemini Lyria. So first just open Gemini like this and then just log in to your account like usual and then just tap on the plus button and then just tap on create music and then once you're in you can either choose one of the available music genres on here. Just choose one that you like, or you can also write your own custom prompt. Just describe your track on here. For the best result, you can describe your song in details like including the genre and then music era, mood, instrument, vocals, tempo, and maybe story or theme of the song. And you can also write your own lyrics if you have already written them. Lyria will give you a lot of creative freedoms. And for example, in here, I want to describe my track or my song like this. Before I already prepared my prompt like this, I will make a R&B pop love song. And after that, after writing your prompt, just simply tap on submit. And then just wait for the process. And okay, like this, you will get the 30 seconds of track like this. Let's just play it.
Oh yeah, the world outside is static now. Just the gentle rhythm of your breathing. Lost in all the little details. In your shadows I believe in. And every single moment feels like a connection. A perfect painted memory. You're the sunlight, you're the sweet direction. And you are everything I'll ever need. Whoa.
Okay, like this, you can hear that. I think the results so incredible like this. It's so cool. It's really like professional songs like this. Next, and okay, maybe next you can just try different prompts and see what kind of songs that you can make. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.